Alright, I got some stuff.
Why do you have baby stuff?
I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay.
It's for my other kid.
You're so dumb.